Hey guys, it's Scott here with Star Funnels. Today I just want to do a quick little video to explain my success I've already had with the high ticket affiliate accelerator. No, it's not success with monetary making money, but success with seeing the connections that I'm already creating with the creators of this product. So specifically, I have had one-on-one conversations with Joshua Elder over the last few months, just a few questions that I have, and sure enough, he's been there to answer those questions, which is so amazing. I mean, he is the one that created this, and you're seeing his videos. So super cool that he is willing to respond back, that he is an actual person, that he cares and helps, and I don't know, I can just relate to him. He seems like he's, close to my age and just as cool, and seems like just, I don't know, a real person that sure enough is there, and he's communicating back with me. Also, a new one is Fraser McDonald. I didn't even know much about him. I have seen his pictures all over the internet. The dude has like over 4,000 followers or 4,000 Facebook friends, and he's been a great affiliate marketer. But just wanted to show you guys my screen here. So this is a Facebook chat. Right here it says HTAA, which is High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. So sure enough, he created this thing specifically for those that want to learn Facebook, organic Facebook. And he's like, hey, this is to essentially just learn how to do Messenger. Oh, it looks like he has 10,000 followers, by the way, right there. But sure enough, he created this picture right here. And then he added Joshua. Help me welcome the main man himself, Joshua Elder. And then this guy said welcome, and then he says, oh, and Angie, and then of course right there my name, Scott Anderson, and just so cool. So sure enough, I was on there and kind of commented back, but it's just really cool. Here's Karen. She's also part of the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator, and she has crushed it. She actually has received some lots of earnings from implementing Joshua's strategies on YouTube, etc. So just a lot of great value. Just wanted to mention this quick little video that I'm already seeing success, not through making money yet, but through seeing the value in just mentorship. So I'll be doing another video about this, but guys, if you really are serious about affiliate marketing and want to jump in on an awesome opportunity and get some great mentors, there are 4 mentors. Literally, I can reach out to him in a messenger right now and ask him a question, and it sounds like he'll be right there to answer it. And I've commented on certain posts that he has, and he's reached out to me personally and said, hey, thanks for liking that, or whatever it is. So anyway, just throwing that out. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, kind of see my process, please subscribe and tip that bell notification if you'd like to be notified. And you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.